Hi, my name is Glenn. We are an internationally recognized beauty and aesthetics establishment based in Singapore. Jessie and myself are Chinese, and we know most people think that Singapore is a part of China, but no. Singapore is far away from China. Despite Singapore having 76% Chinese population, Singapore is very much situated in the Malay Archipelago, also known as the Malay World. Jadi saya juga bisa bahasa Melayu, which means I can also speak Malay. Now that is a story for another day. GENHAIR's older sister company, Beauty Recipe, started way back in 1979, more than 40 years ago, whereby Jessie's mother had gotten her aesthetics certification in an extremely popular school back then. The school was known to be Super Duper STRICT. Jessie's mother started introducing herbal hair growth treatments to her clients over the years, but had never made it an official service in her outlets. Her recipe? An age-old tradition whose medicinal herbal recipes are passed down from generation to generation. The rest of the history can be found on our About GENHAIR page. Naturally, Jessie picked up all those skills from her mother from a very young age. Today, our aesthetic outlets are numerous around the world, but we can't really call them franchise outlets. Jessie has had more than 6,000 beauty students as of today through Beauty Recipe Academy, and many of them have gone on to start their own beauty establishments all over the world, ranging from beauty services, training schools, wholesale, and more. Our students' success stories come from more than 30 different countries. More importantly, they have moved on to carve success stories of their own that not only benefited themselves but the communities around them. Our network is far and wide. Our own personal outlets are situated in Southeast Asia. We also have outlets in Jakarta, Indonesia, and Bangkok, Thailand. But our distribution network is worldwide. The US, UK, Australia, and yes, even Nepal and Pakistan. Now, how did GENHAIR even begin? We were running an aesthetic clinic in Jakarta, Indonesia for 2 years when some of our customers started requesting for hair growth solutions. In fact, they were asking for more hair loss prevention solutions. Jessie had decided to bring her family traditional medicinal herbal recipe in to help our customers. Back in March 2019, I was one of her customers that she had started to treat as well. It was never meant as a service or as a business for us. It just started from there. As our shop in Indonesia comprises of 4 levels, we converted a segment of the 3rd story into an area with 4 salon chairs. A few months later of August 2019, in our meeting room on the 4th story, we came together to come up with the name GENHAIR. There, GENHAIR was born. Why GENHAIR? We thought it sounded like generating hair, generational hair, genetic hair. While creating this video, we could not really recall exactly why we called GENHAIR GENHAIR, but I recall it was a lot of brainstorming before the name was decided upon. Everybody was referring everybody. There was great interest in our services and everyone was introducing everyone. Jessie's proven recipe was garnering great interest, and soon salons from all over Indonesia were interested in Jessie's products. When COVID-19 hit in February 2020 in Singapore and there was a lockdown, we ceased our operations in Jakarta, Indonesia. It was sad for all of us as we had a lot of emotional attachments to our outlet. However, being go-getters, we decided to commence distributing this wonderful medicinal herbal hair growth solution worldwide through e-commerce. Ta-da! That is why we have our GENHAIR Hair Growth Bundle Box. Not only that, in Singapore, our GENHAIR worldwide distribution project was even backed by the National University of Singapore, along with Enterprise Singapore. Having some time on our hands due to the travel restrictions and the lockdown, we preached our ideas to these 2 organizations. They liked our products a lot. We were also voted number 1 among 30 other businesses who preached their ideas. We were also featured in a 3-minute video encouraging other businesses to preach their ideas. My wonderful country, Singapore, had actually offered funding and encouraged us to distribute our products worldwide without asking for a single share or any profits. Amazing country. We, however, declined any funding as we felt that other groups needed it more. Our contributions to society include donations to beauty pageants, as Jessie is a firm believer of empowering women. We have also donated to several government initiatives over the years. We have plans to contribute back to society in much bigger ways in a 3-year plan, but that also is a story for another day. Jessie is also a member of the Junior Chamber International. Our awards. Jessie is also coached and mentored by Branko Babic of Fibral's Training Academy. Even our our trainers at Beauty Recipe and GENHAIR are multiple award winners. Certifications? Beauty Recipe is also able to issue internationally recognized certifications, and that includes trichologist certifications and dermatologist certifications. So personally, who is Glenn? Who am I? I'm just this lucky guy who stole Jessie's heart. Hands off, Jessie is my wife. Now we know you need the assurance. So for more information on us, our credentials and so on, we have a GENHAIR website, a Beauty for Recipe website, a personal YouTube channel, and our entire history on our About Us page. All links will be placed below. Do explore our other videos on herbal hair growth solutions. I'll see you guys in the next video.